Most home service business owners choose the wrong CRM for one simple reason. They look for the CRM with the most features instead of the CRM that solves their biggest problem. And that mistake can cost thousands of dollars in lost opportunities every year. Here's the truth no one tells you. There is no single best CRM for every home service business in 2026. The best CRM depends on whether you need better organization, more leads, stronger customer retention, or faster growth. In this video you'll learn which CRMs stand out in 2026, what they're best at, and how to choose the right one for your specific business. Let's get straight into it. A CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System, helps you manage leads, customers, estimates, scheduling, invoices, payments, and follow-up communication. The right CRM saves time and helps increase revenue. One of the most popular options is Jobber. Jobber is known for its clean design and ease of use. It works especially well for businesses that want better scheduling, team management, quoting, and invoicing. If your biggest challenge is staying organized and keeping daily operations running smoothly, Jobber is often a strong choice. For example, if John owns a landscaping company with multiple crews, Jobber helps him keep jobs, customers, and payments organized from one dashboard. But here's the problem. Organization alone doesn't automatically create growth. That's where Quotaic becomes interesting. Quotaic focuses heavily on customer retention and marketing automation. It helps businesses generate reviews, send automated follow-ups, reactivate old customers, and maintain communication through text messaging. Imagine Alex owns a pressure washing company. Instead of constantly chasing new customers, Quotaic helps bring previous customers back for repeat services. That can increase revenue without increasing advertising costs. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many growing businesses need a balance between operations and customer engagement. That's one reason Housecall Pro remains a popular option. It combines scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, online booking, customer communication, and payment collection into one platform. For many service companies, it offers a middle ground solution. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to choose between these platforms. First, remember this. This is where most people fail. They compare feature lists instead of identifying their biggest bottleneck. If scheduling and operations are causing problems, prioritize operational software. If customer retention and marketing are your weak spots, focus on growth-focused platforms. If you need both, consider a balanced all-in-one solution. The best CRM in 2026 is the one that removes the biggest obstacle from your business. For operational management, Jobber remains a strong contender. For customer retention and marketing automation, Quotaic stands out. For businesses wanting a balance of operations and customer engagement, Housecall Pro continues to be a popular choice. The good news is that you now know exactly how to evaluate a CRM instead of guessing. Choose the platform that solves your biggest problem today, not the one with the longest feature list. If this guide helped you narrow down your options, hit the like button, subscribe for more home service business growth tips, and let me know in the comments which CRM you're considering for your business in 2026.